Are you struggling with stiff knees, swollen ankles, or that uncomfortable tingling in your hands and feet? If you're over 60, it's tempting to chalk these issues up to just getting older. But what if the real culprit isn't age, it's collagen loss? Collagen is the glue that holds your joints, tendons, ligaments, and even your skin together. As we age, our bodies produce less of it, and what's left breaks down faster, leaving us with creaky joints, weaker muscles, and less flexible skin. Welcome to Health at Any Age, your trusted channel where we empower seniors to live with more energy, less pain, and greater freedom. Today's video is a game changer because we're diving into 8 collagen-rich fruits that every senior should add to their diet. These fruits aren't just delicious, they actively restore collagen, reduce swelling, and help your legs and joints feel stronger and more mobile. If you're noticing your mobility declining, your knees aching, or your ankles puffing up by the end of the day, this video is for you. The secret to smoother, pain-free movement might already be in your kitchen or local grocery store. Before we jump in, we want to hear from you. What's one fruit you absolutely can't stand? Or maybe there's one you eat every single day. Tell us about it in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a health-boosting tip from Health at Any Age. Let's get moving toward a stronger, healthier you, starting with number 8 on our list. 8. Kiwi, the small fruit that starts big healing. Kiwi might be small, but it's a nutritional powerhouse. Just one kiwi delivers over 70 milligrams of vitamin C, exceeding your daily requirement and kickstarting collagen production. Vitamin C is critical because, without it, your body can't synthesize collagen, which impacts everything from your ligaments and tendons to your skin and cartilage. Low collagen levels can make your joints feel like they're grinding, and your skin may lose its elasticity. What makes kiwi even more special is actinidin, a unique enzyme that helps your body break down proteins into amino acids, the building blocks of collagen. A clinical study from New Zealand found that seniors who ate 2 kiwis daily saw a 31% increase in blood vitamin C levels and reported less joint stiffness in just 1 week. That's a remarkable improvement in such a short time. For the best results, eat kiwi in the morning, and don't peel it. The fuzzy skin is packed with fiber and antioxidants that reduce inflammation and enhance nutrient absorption. If the texture bothers you, try blending kiwi into a smoothie with yogurt or slicing it into a bowl of oatmeal. You can even pair it with a handful of almonds for a collagen-friendly breakfast that supports joint health and keeps you energized. Pro tip: choose kiwis that are slightly soft to the touch for maximum ripeness and flavor. If they're too hard, let them ripen on your counter for a few days. And if you're worried about the tartness, try golden kiwis, they're sweeter and just as nutrient-dense. 7. Pineapple, a tropical healer for swollen knees. Pineapple isn't just a sweet, juicy treat, it's a natural remedy for swollen joints. This tropical fruit contains bromelain, a powerful anti-inflammatory enzyme that reduces swelling in your knees and ankles while improving circulation. Bromelain also helps break down proteins, making it easier for your body to absorb the amino acids needed for collagen repair. A study published in Clinical Rheumatology showed that patients with osteoarthritis who took bromelain daily experienced a 41% reduction in knee pain and swelling after just 30 days. Another German study found bromelain to be as effective as common anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the side effects like stomach upset or drowsiness. Pineapple is also rich in manganese and vitamin C, both essential for building and stabilizing collagen fibers. Manganese strengthens the collagen framework in your joints, while vitamin C ensures your body can produce new collagen efficiently. For the best benefits, eat fresh pineapple. Canned versions often contain added sugars that can increase inflammation. Try adding chunks to a morning smoothie, tossing it into a fruit salad, or grilling a slice for a caramelized treat that pairs well with lean protein like chicken. If fresh pineapple is hard to come by, look for frozen pineapple chunks with no added sugar. And here's a tip: cut the pineapple core into small pieces and blend it into your smoothies. The core is where most of the bromelain is concentrated. 6. Papaya, the overlooked fruit that powers joint repair. Papaya is often celebrated for aiding digestion, but it's a hidden gem for joint health. It contains papain, a rare enzyme that breaks down proteins into amino acids, which your body uses to rebuild collagen in your knees, hips, and ankles. Papaya also delivers more vitamin C than an orange, providing the raw materials your body needs to produce collagen where it's needed most. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that seniors who ate papaya regularly reported less knee stiffness and improved flexibility within just 2 weeks. That's because papaya's combination of papain and vitamin C works synergistically to repair connective tissues and reduce inflammation. For optimal results, choose papayas with vibrant orange flesh and a slightly soft texture. Scoop out the flesh with a spoon, blend it into a smoothie, or dice it into a fruit salad. You can boost its benefits by adding a squeeze of lime juice, which enhances vitamin C absorption. Feeling adventurous? Try eating a few papaya seeds. They're edible and contain anti-inflammatory compounds that can further support joint health. Just start with a small amount, as they have a peppery flavor. If you're new to papaya, start by eating half a fruit a day. It's gentle on the stomach and pairs well with other collagen-boosting foods like yogurt or nuts. 5. Guava, the forgotten fruit that packs a punch. Guava might not be a staple in every kitchen, but it's a collagen-building superstar. One guava contains up to 4 times the vitamin C of an orange, providing more than double your daily requirement. This makes it a powerhouse for collagen synthesis, helping to repair joints, tendons, and even skin. Guava also contains lycopene and polyphenol, antioxidants that protect existing collagen from breaking down due to inflammation or oxidative stress. A 6-week clinical trial showed that seniors who ate guava daily experienced a significant reduction in joint inflammation and improved skin elasticity, a clear sign that collagen was being restored throughout the body. Eat guava raw, including the skin if you can, as it's packed with fiber and additional antioxidants. Slice it into wedges, sprinkle with a pinch of salt or chili for a zesty kick, or blend it into a smoothie with berries. Avoid guava juices with added sugars, as they can counteract the anti-inflammatory benefits. If fresh guava isn't available, look for unsweetened frozen guava puree at specialty stores. For seniors with sensitive digestion, start with small portions to avoid any discomfort from the high fiber content. Pair guava with a protein source like cottage cheese to balance its natural sugars and support muscle repair alongside collagen production. 4. Blackberries, nature's collagen defender. Blackberries may be small, but they're mighty when it comes to protecting and rebuilding collagen. They're loaded with anthocyanins, the deep purple compounds that give blackberries their color. These antioxidants shield collagen from breaking down and reduce enzymes that degrade cartilage in aging joints. A study in Nutrients found that daily blackberry consumption reduced inflammation in joint tissues by 25% and improved capillary function, allowing nutrients to reach hard-to-heal areas like your knees and calves more effectively. Blackberries also provide manganese, which activates enzymes critical for building the collagen framework in your connective tissues. Enjoy blackberries fresh or blended into smoothies. They're also great sprinkled over oatmeal or mixed into a salad with spinach and walnuts for a nutrient-packed meal. Avoid frozen blackberries with added sugars, as these can increase inflammation and undo the benefits. If you're picking your own, choose berries that are fully black and slightly soft for the best flavor and nutrient content. For an extra boost, pair blackberries with a source of healthy fats, like avocado or a handful of almonds. Fats help your body absorb fat-soluble antioxidants, maximizing their anti-inflammatory effects. 3. Blueberries, brain food that heals your legs. Blueberries are famous for boosting brain health, but they're equally powerful for your joints and legs. Their flavonoids, particularly anthocyanins, prevent microtears in cartilage and ligaments that lead to swelling and stiffness. A study in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics found that older adults who ate blueberries daily for 14 days saw a 38% increase in joint mobility and reduced leg swelling. Wild blueberries are the gold standard, they contain twice the antioxidants of farmed varieties. Blend them into smoothies, toss them into yogurt, or snack on a handful in the morning. If fresh blueberries are out of season, opt for frozen ones without added sugars. You can even sprinkle them into a warm bowl of oatmeal for a comforting, collagen-boosting breakfast. To make blueberries a daily habit, try keeping a small container in your fridge for easy snacking. They're low in calories and gentle on blood sugar, making them ideal for seniors managing diabetes or weight concerns. 2. Strawberries, the sweet secret to stronger knees. Strawberries are more than a sweet treat, they're a collagen-preserving powerhouse. They contain ellagic acid, a compound that blocks enzymes that break down collagen during inflammation. Strawberries also provide vitamin C and manganese, which work together to create strong, flexible collagen fibers in your joints. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that seniors with knee arthritis who ate strawberries daily saw a 37% decrease in joint pain and swelling after 2 weeks. That's a significant improvement from a fruit you probably already love. Eat strawberries fresh with the green tops attached for extra fiber, which supports gut health and reduces inflammation. Blend them into smoothies, layer them in yogurt parfaits, or enjoy them as a midday snack. For a fun twist, dip strawberries in a small amount of dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa, for an antioxidant-packed treat that complements their collagen-boosting benefits. If you're buying strawberries, choose organic when possible. Conventional strawberries often have pesticide residues that can irritate sensitive systems. 1. Amla, Indian gooseberry, the ultimate collagen booster. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is a small green fruit that's a collagen-building champion. It's packed with stable vitamin C and polyphenol, which not only promote collagen production but also protect existing collagen from damage. Amla supports the growth of fibroblasts, the cells responsible for forming new collagen strands in your joints, tendons, and skin. A 12-week study found that seniors taking Amla extract reported a 42% reduction in knee pain and a 24% increase in collagen density in their joints and skin. That's a powerful impact from a single fruit. Amla can be consumed as a juice, powder, or fresh fruit if you can find it. Mix a teaspoon of Amla powder with warm water and a splash of lemon juice in the morning for a potent collagen-boosting drink. If the sour flavor is too strong, soak fresh Amla slices in salt water overnight to mellow the taste. You can also find Amla in capsule form at health food stores, but always check with a healthcare provider before adding supplements. For seniors new to Amla, start with a small amount to see how your body responds. Its high vitamin C content can sometimes cause mild stomach upset if overconsumed. Making these fruits part of your daily routine. Now that you know the 8 collagen-rich fruits every senior should eat, the question is, where do you start? You don't need to overhaul your diet overnight. Pick 2 or 3 fruits that are easy to find and fit your taste preferences. For example, if you love berries, start with strawberries and blueberries. If you're a fan of tropical flavors, pineapple and papaya are great choices. To make these fruits a seamless part of your day, try these tips. Batch prep smoothies. Blend a mix of kiwi, pineapple, and strawberries with a handful of spinach and some Greek yogurt. Pour into mason jars and refrigerate for quick breakfasts throughout the week. Snack smart. Keep a bowl of washed blackberries or guava slices on your kitchen counter for easy grabbing. Pair with a small handful of nuts to balance blood sugar and add healthy fats. Incorporate into meals. Add diced papaya or pineapple to a grilled chicken salad, or sprinkle blueberries over whole grain toast with a smear of almond butter. Stay consistent, aim to eat at least 1 collagen-rich fruit daily. Even small amounts add up over time, delivering cumulative benefits for your joints and mobility. Beyond diet, supporting collagen from the outside in. While these fruits are powerful, collagen restoration isn't just about what you eat. Here are a few lifestyle habits that amplify their effects. Stay active. Light exercises like walking, water aerobics, or gentle yoga stimulate collagen production in your muscles and joints. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes most days, but listen to your body and avoid overexertion. Prioritize sleep. Your body repairs collagen while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours nightly, and create a calming bedtime routine. Magnesium-rich foods like bananas or almonds can promote deeper rest. Hydrate. Collagen needs water to stay flexible and strong. Drink at least 8 cups of water daily, and consider adding a slice of lemon or cucumber for extra flavor and nutrients. Limit collagen destroyers. Cut back on processed sugars, refined carbs, and excessive alcohol, which accelerate collagen breakdown and increase inflammation. Check food labels for hidden sugars in packaged snacks. If you have chronic conditions like arthritis or diabetes, consult your doctor before making significant dietary changes. They can help you tailor these recommendations to your unique needs. Your journey to better health starts now. At Health at Any Age, we believe it's never too late to take charge of your health. Every bite of these collagen-rich fruits is a step toward less pain, better mobility, and more energy. Which fruit will you try first? Drop your answer in the comments. We read every one, and we love connecting with our Health at Any Age community. If this video inspired you, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who might be struggling with stiff joints or swollen ankles. One small tip could make a huge difference in their life. We'll be back next week with more practical advice to help you live stronger, longer, and more comfortably. Until then, be kind to your body, stay curious, and keep moving forward, one healthy bite at a time. You've got this, and we're with you every step of the way.